Hey, I'm Fernando. Now I'm gonna talk to you about the Tecnológico de Monterrey. There are many schools all over the world. Some of them are private or public, but they all have something in common. Their objective is the same. They teach students about things and topics that are useful for our lives. The Instituto Tecnológico de Monterrey is a private school that has a lot of campus in Mexico. It is recognized by many people, not only here, but all over the world. It has many rewards for their performance throughout the years. And now, we're going to present the main information about this school in the campus of Aguascalientes. So first, we gotta see the political elements. So we can see the description is Directory West Zone, where we are, that it consists of the campus of Aguascalientes, Ciudad Obregón, Guadalajara, Irapuato, León, Morelia, Querétaro, San Luis Potosí, Sinaloa, Sonora, Norte, y Zacatecas. Well, in Tec de Monterrey, we got two programs. One is a big cultural program where you got to perfect the advanced level of English you already know, and you take the 50% of the subjects entirely in English. And as a student of a Prepa Tec Multicultural, you carry 6 levels of a third language. You gotta take at least 18 subjects in English and have the opportunity to participate in interdisciplinary projects with people from other states and or countries, and to live international experiences. And from the professional careers, we get agriculture and food, architecture, social sciences and humanities, communication and journalism, rights, design and art applied, engineering and science, business and management, health and information technologies and electronics. Now we're going to proceed to see the economic elements. So the economic elements we can have here in the campus are the services of a physical plant, that is the maintenance, security, gardening, cleanliness, construction, remodeling, camera security. We also have a center for international competitiveness. We have courses or workshops offered. We have audience. We have the Dirección de Asuntos Estudiantiles, which is the same as DAE. Activities or events that they promote. The colegiaturas costs for a high school in bilingual is 50,000, and for multicultural is 62,000, and for professional is 82,000 pesos. And last but not least, we got the social elements. As we can see, the students population between the high school students and the professional students, it's about 1,252 students. And as a student, I can say that I was very lucky to be studying at this school, and there are things as a student that we are not able to see or observe, but with this investigation that we realize it, we can conclude that running and funding at a school is not easy, and it's not easier to be in a position where many people, and also worldwide, recognize your work.